Okay, this is Jimbaran. Got all these big, long beach kind of spreading out. So I think what we're gonna do is walk all the way down that way. Let's see if these vendors, I think the vendors are gonna ask me stuff, but maybe not. That's good. Okay, so this is Jimbaran, and we're like not too far from the airport, and we're gonna walk down the beach. It's cool ceremony. Okay, so I think what I'm going to start at is I'm just going to go up because I can kind of see the beach already, and I want to see what's around it as well. And the one big thing right here is I can see all the chairs for the tourists. It looks a lot like what I see in Kuta and Seminyak as well. Coconut, surf lessons. I'm so glad that guy's doing the ceremony. I feel bad now because I thought he was gonna start asking me about stuff. In Kuta you get kind of non-stop of people asking you for something every 2 seconds. So I was like, oh no, he's walking. But he's actually doing a ceremony, so it's actually very positive. Okay, so this is kind of so this is actually kind of the heart of Jimbaran, and it basically looks like a beach, and then kind of this type of road right here. So I'm just gonna try to give you a little taste of it. See what's near the beach. Looks like it has kind of this kind of structure though. And you can just kind of head down that way, and then we'll see. I think I'll turn the camera on down there somewhere. Okay, so we're still in Jimbaran. Some really cool artwork. And I kind of think that this might basically be what Jimbaran is all about. This big wide beach with the boats, some resorts nearby. So there it is. And the airport's down that way. So maybe a little bit short. I was kind of thinking there might be more like Kuta or Seminyak, but maybe it's not quite like that. All right. Small taste of Jimbaran. Yeah, that was Jimbaran. I'm sure there's a lot more that I didn't see. I kind of gotta get somewhere, but at least I saw a little bit of what it looks like. I apologize if you write some stuff in the comments about how much I missed. All right.